Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you guys an eyebrow tutorial. Someone asked if I can post the eyebrow tutorial, so I decided to. Honestly, I don't feel like I have the best eyebrows. I do what I can. But yeah, I got asked if I can do this video, so here you guys go. It is pretty simple, but you know, sometimes eyebrows don't be acting right. And I recently just like plugged my eyebrows like to the best of my ability. Usually they are like hella all over the place. I don't get them waxed or threaded or groomed in any way. I usually just plug them myself, which most of the time I fail at doing right, or I just let them, for the most part, I just let them grow out and do whatever the fuck they want. So it is difficult sometimes to do my eyebrows, and sometimes it takes me hella long, but today it actually took about like 15 minutes just because I just recently plugged in. So here you guys go, a tutorial of these eyebrows, and enjoy.
Okay, so this is my natural eyebrow trash, but first step is creating the line that you're going to use to, this is basically to shape the eyebrow. This is how you pick, you know, what shape you want your eyebrow to be. So I don't try to do too arched just because my natural eyebrow isn't super arched. My eyebrows are like a little like boxier, a little straighter, if you would say, I guess. But yeah, I just did the line, and then I'm going in with the LA Girl eyebrow pencil, and I do that very lightly. And then I am going to begin filling in the top of my eyebrow. I like to do that just to give me a more defined shape at the top. And I'm also doing this lightly. I like to do everything lightly because you don't want big, bold, blocky eyebrows. And we're just gonna brush it out. You can add, I like to go light and then add more color as I go so that I know I'm not doing it too hard and make my eyebrows way too dark. And by the way, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Ebony for my eyebrows, and I'm just going back and forth with the pomade and the LA Girl pencil. And right here, I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush to make hair-like strokes at the end of the eyebrow. And then we're gonna put the concealer underneath to give the eyebrow a more clean look. This is the LA Girl Pro concealers, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. Try not to go too light under my eyebrow because I don't want it to look super white underneath. I don't know, I just don't like that look. So once I put on the concealer, I like to buff it out with a brush. I forget what brush this is. I got it in a BoxyCharm box. But yeah, I just like to buff the concealer out until it looks a little more natural and not too sharp. And then I just go over the eyebrow again with a little more pomade and give it a little more shape just in case I lost a little bit of shape in the process of concealing, which happens a lot. So I just like to go back in and give myself a refill, and then also hit up the end of my eyebrow again where we want to put those like fake hair-like strokes. And then I'm going in with the Give Me Brow setting, I was about to say setting spray, eyebrow setter. And yeah, I'm just going through and I'm cleaning up any mistakes that I made and brushing it through with the spoolie, and that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Like I said, just take your time and go lightly. And I like to clean it up with the Beauty Blender just so it doesn't leave any harsh lines with the concealer. And there you go. Those are my eyebrows.
And there you guys go. That is how I do my eyebrows. Like I said, very quick and simple for the most part, very easy. Definitely beginners can achieve these eyebrows. Like I said, they aren't like hella extravagant, they're just basic eyebrows. And yeah, that was it for this video. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys that tutorial, and I will be back with more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.